Hello TEQ crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share the technical analysis of Cosmos coin with you. Looking at the chart, we can see the price movements within a triangle pattern. Although there have been upward and downward breakouts, we can say that the downtrend has been broken downwards again, and we see that the small downtrend is in the resistance zone. Along with this, we can evaluate the price movements as a strong buying opportunity since the downtrend has been broken and it has received an upward reaction from a very nice point, the orange zone. There have been really good volumes in recent days. We can say that we should also take volumes into consideration as a buy signal. Of course, we have an upward trend channel coming from below. It will be much better for us if it enters into this trend channel. I think it is more accurate to say this. Friends, if we look at our moving averages, we can see that they are very intertwined. Why is that? Because the price movements, actually due to being within the triangle pattern, constantly create upward and downward breakouts on the averages. Currently, we see that the price movements are below the 200-day moving average, which is the orange line. We want the price movements to break upwards the 200-day moving average for long-term goals. Along with this, if we look at our resistance zones, as we can see, there are points where it has received reactions in the past. The level of about 13.45 is important for us because if we draw a line from here and even turn our dotted line into a line, we can see that there are 2 contacts here and 3 to 4 contacts here. Therefore, the level of 13.45 becomes a quite strong resistance zone for us. We should not forget this. The upward movement of prices up to this point is predictable in our forecasting conditions. One of the conditions for prediction is the break of the dotted downward trend line, and the second is the re-entry of the upward trend channel. Now, let's start examining our indicators slowly. If we look at the Fisher indicator here, Fisher has created a breakthrough at approximately -2.16 levels, giving us a strong buy signal. However, there has not been much upward movement in price since then because a doji has occurred. But actually, the doji that occurred here is a sign of buyers being dominant. Therefore, interpreting it as a rise is more likely. The Fisher indicator also tells us that the uptrend can continue, because there is no downward break or trend in the last 3 days. After closing Fisher, if we look at our RSI indicator, RSI has made a quick rise above the 50 level. It is now hovering around the 47 to 48 levels. If the 50 level is broken upwards, it is more likely that we will see an upward movement in price and we can interpret it as a slight buy signal. But if it continues to move downward from the 50 level, we can say that the downward movement in price may continue. Also, there was a downward trend in RSI here. Breaking this trend upward is interpreted positively for us. Let's take a look at our WAVIA trend indicator, finally. The WAVIA trend indicator has given us a slight buy signal by creating a breakthrough in the middle region. Both momentum has strengthened on its last day and the lines have opened up nicely, so we can say that price movements can slowly start to rise. Both our indicators give us this signal. Turning upwards from the orange zone also gives us this signal. In addition, even though the moving averages have not yet risen above, we may see such an image in the coming days, giving us a strong buy signal. Let's mention this as well. In this video, we shared Atom Coin's technical analysis with you. If you like the video, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel to be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.